Our children require a lot from us. As parents, we're responsible for raising these amazing human beings. But when our kids have additional challenges and developmental delays, it can be very, very challenging because we're spending a lot of time worrying and researching, trying to find the best ways to help them, try to navigate between all the different therapies. There's a lot involved when we are parents raising children who require additional support and have additional needs for development. One of the things that I found as a parent and working with parents worldwide for the last 20 years is that it can be very stressful on us as parents. And if we're not careful, a couple things can happen. One, we can end up burning out, which is pretty much what happened to me. Also, when we're not careful and we are experiencing a lot of stress, not taking care of ourselves, our kids are absorbing that, especially our kids who are sensitive. And the third thing that happens sometimes when we are under a lot of stress and we're worrying a lot, we can respond in ways that we don't want to. Every moment is a teachable moment with our kids. And when our kids are having challenges, those are teachable moments. But sometimes when we are just exhausted, we're overwhelmed, we're tired, when our kids are having a moment, like we are not responding in a way that is productive. And one, they're learning from us, how not to respond to certain situations. And two, we're not able to help them through it in a way that they need it. I know that because I've been there. So what I want to do for parents is I want to help them to create that foundation. I want you to go through some of the steps that I will be sharing, some different mindfulness-based tools. We're going to do some different assessments. We're going to figure out your triggers, and then give you some different strategies using various modalities, including cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, mindfulness, acceptance commitment therapy. There are so many different approaches that are within this workshop. The reason why I want to do this is to help you, to help parents to be that calm, centered, grounded parent for their kids. But the other reason is so then you can take these same tools that you are going to learn for yourself and you can help your kids with these tools. What a better way. Sometimes we always go straight to the child and help the child, but you know what? I feel it's better to go straight through you guys so you can really use these tools. They can help you and your child at the same time. So if you want to join the workshop, we start very shortly. The information to sign up is below. I hope I get to meet you, and I hope to make things a bit easier for you and your family. If you have any questions, meet with me before the workshop. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Otherwise, I hope to see you in there. Thanks.